Let's understand the assessment of working capital requirement of small scale industries as per Nayak committee. Small scale industries are categorized under priority sector and they are the thrust area for commercial banks. There is always a concern that this sector does not get the required credit. That is, there is always inadequate credit. Hence, Reserve Bank of India formulated a committee long back headed by Mr. P.R. Nayak. So this committee headed by Nayak was known as Nayak Committee, and the norms prescribed for working capital assessment is very simple. Here working capital limit is nothing but projected annual turnover multiplied by 20%. So the turnover that has been projected multiplied by 20% will be considered as working capital limit, and this would work for working capital limit up to 5 crore. So here when we say projected annual turnover, this basically means gross sales including the excise duty. Now let's look into the logic of this 20%. Nayak committee believes that the companies will be investing on their working capital at least 25% of their turnover. Okay, so if they are making a turnover, at least 25% of the turnover will be invested in working capital. So of this, 80% have to be funded by banks. That's the recommendation of NIC committee. It means on 25%, 80% got to be funded by banks. So it works out to 20%. That's how we got the number 20%. It means remaining 20% have to be funded by owners. That's nothing but 25% on 25. So that works out to 5%. So why this 25%? 25% of turnover means you can have 25% into 4 times 100%. So we can say 25% of turnover is nothing but 4 cycles of 3 months each. So that makes 12 months, right? So the Nayak committee assumes that working capital cycle of every unit is say 3 months and there will be 4 cycles in a year. But one critical thing we have to understand is this is only the minimum level of credit. If the credit requirement is greater than this, yes, the banks are free to assess and sanction them.
Thanks for watching this video and I hope you liked this lecture. If you wish to learn more on the areas related to this topic, check our comprehensive course. I have shared the details and link in the description below. Click, sign up and enroll. I'll see you inside the course.